So hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you're doing great. In this video we are going to look at this question. Given that cos A minus B is equals to cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. This is actually the identity for cos A minus B. But the requirement of the question is to derive the identities for cos A plus B, for sin A plus B, and for sin A minus B. In this video, we are only going to focus on cos A plus B, and then in the other videos, we are going to focus on these other ones. So let's delve into it. So we are given cos A plus B to be derived. So what exactly do we need to do? We have to make sure that this A plus B part is really written in the form that will look almost like this. So as you are looking at this part, there are three parts, A, minus, and B. So I need this one to also have three parts with a minus in between. We have good news because we already have a cos here and we have a cos here. So we will not have to do a lot of conversions. The only problem that we have is the sign inside. We already know that the signs are very much related. The only thing I need to do is to make sure that I change this part. In other words, we have cos instead of A plus, I'm going to say A minus, because this minus thing we need it. So A minus beta. The reason why I'm saying minus beta again is because I still want my question to be the same. I don't want to formulate a new question that is different from the one that I was given. I was given this one, so I have to stick to this one. So when I keep on going, now if you are looking at this, there are these parts. I now have this thing, cos A minus B. The only difference is that we have these three parts, 1, 2, 3. But the third part is no longer B. The third part is now negative B. So it means wherever there is a B, I'm going to substitute by a negative B. So I'm going to have what here? I'm going to have cos A cos B. But our B is now negative B. Our B here is now negative B. So I'm plugging in negative B instead of B. So wherever I'm going to see B, I'm going to write negative B. Fine. So from here, I need to deal with some trigonometry that we learned before. So look at this. Whenever you are given minus beta, minus angle, minus theta, minus beta, minus x, you know that you are in quadrant 4. Quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, quadrant 4. Whenever you are given that, you need to know that you are in quadrant 4. Why would that be? Because in trigonometry, we can add 360 as much as we want, or we can subtract 360 as much as we want. So for the angle minus theta, I can just simply plug in 360. Same as this one, I can just plug in 360 here, or plugging in 360 here. In the end, it will be looking like this. So the best way to just think about it is, whenever you see a negative angle, you are going to have a quadrant 4. So let's continue. So we are going to have cos A instead of cos minus B. Which quadrant are we in? We are in quadrant 4. You need to understand that in quadrant 4, cosine is positive. Here we say all students take coffee. So in this one only cosine is positive. On this one, in this one only tan is positive. In this one only sine is positive. In this one all of them are positive. So here cosine is positive in this case. So I will be just writing cos beta, cos B, oh sorry, I'm using this. So it will be cos B. So cos A, cos B, plus Sine A, we don't have any problem with A. The problem comes with minus B. Minus B, we know that is quadrant 4. Being in quadrant 4, only cos is positive. So it means that our sine is negative. So it becomes negative sine beta. Negative sine B. So when we are multiplying this, we are going to have cos A, cos B, plus sine A multiplied by negative sine B. We are going to get negative sine A, sine B.